Hello friends, I Arpana Pandya would like to welcome all semester 5 students BA course in Sardar Patel Arts College. See friends, as on the screen you can observe, here we have once again provided you with the same detailed and final discussion about Heart of the Darkness. As we complete this session, today we are going to finish your paper 504 with two novels. Yes, as we have already discussed about Far from the Madding Crowd, as well as we are going to discuss and to complete today this thing on Heart of Darkness final discussion. See friends, before dealing with Heart of Darkness, let me clarify that in Heart of Darkness, as we conclude overall novel, then you will only have to recall or to prepare for Kud's and Marlowe's character. These two are the main characters in the novel. Yes, the whole story and the theme runs around them. So please go through the characterization of Kurds and Marlowe. See friends, let us see what is there exactly to discuss today. Overall view and overall outline of the novel. Novel name is Heart of Darkness. As we have already discussed about Unit 5. Unit 1 and 2 of this paper is of Far from Madding Crowd. Unit 3 and Unit 4 is of Heart of the Darkness, and Unit 5 is only on Thomas Hardy and Joseph Conrad. So please, as I have provided you number of notes and the ready-made material on the screen in my number of videos, please go through the all videos for the same thing to prepare for Joseph Conrad as well as Thomas Hardy. See here friends, here we are going to discuss about plot and construction. See, time is given approximately it was between 1884 to 1885. He went to Africa. See friends, here he means Joseph Conrad himself, narrator himself, novelist himself. Yes, and here up to some extent we can understand that novelist shares his own experience of the sea voyage when he was very young and when he came back to England to settle down and to take rest, and he was discussing with his five friends on the boat. Yes, so as we have discussed a lot about it, let me clarify one by one. Then the next point is, in those days, in 1888 to 90, 140 tons of ivory exported from Congo to Congo Free State. See friends, in those days ivory was the chief vice of the country or of the time. Yes, where people used to steal all the elephant teeth and rescue themselves from one place to another place for this wrong deed. Okay, then 10 million people died in this ivory act. So the Congo won independence in 1960 and ultimately, after such a long suffering from white people to black people, yes, they won the independence in 1960. Democratic Republic of the Congo occupies the same area that was once the same area in the Congo Free State. Then see the theme of the novel. In 1897, 5 friends were waiting for tides to change, and so sitting in a yacht. 5 friends with whom? With writer or the novelist himself, and he narrates his own experience in the Heart of the Darkness. Darkness refers with various contexts, which we are going to discuss also. Now see, Charlie Marlowe as Conrad in the novel shares his reviews on England, that also has been one of the dark places of the earth. Even in England it was the same. Africa he went, and even Congo, these all 3 countries he visited, and he found that everywhere they find the discrimination of dark and white people and the exploitation of dark people. So when he settled down and he came back to stay and to take rest, he means Joseph Conrad himself. Here we find in the reference of Marlowe. So he found that even England was the dark place. Dark place with negative remark means we don't find hope, or we don't find cooperation or respect or love or sympathy for dark skinned Negro people. Yes, the major theme focuses on racism. See, racism is the same, greeds and imperialism. See, these three are the major things focused by the Joseph Conrad. And even as I mentioned already, then in rest of other novels also we find number of parts of the same thing. He always focus with sea voyage and sea experience and these types of thing. It also deals with the hypocrisy. Yes, of course, we find hypocrisy and indifferences too. Yes, in novel we find a number of people and number of situations with the hypocrisy, and even indifferences is there in the novel we find. He also finds company civilization as well as barbarism. When he went to the first station and then the second and the third, he find that even company was not having any good respect for black people or slaves. Yes, and even the barbarism and the discrimination was there for white people and black people. See friends, don't worry why I am explaining in English, because ultimately you will have to narrate everything in English. So later on at the end part of this video I am going to provide you Gujarati translation also, so don't bother. See, character introduction is Kurz, that was the very interesting character. And for Kurz, even the Marlowe, Joseph Conrad, suffer a lot and took a long journey, difficult journey to meet Kurz. See, there were three service stations or the centers shown in the novel with the reference of Kurz station as. Number one was outer station. Outer station here means the first Marlowe went, where first he went to meet to the manager and other people. Then the inner station into the, here it is written, see, into the deep and dark forest where Marlowe reaches by many challenges. If you go through the novel, when I started the introduction of the novel, I ask you, I explain you that Marlowe, after taking so many difficulties, he reaches to the inner station. Inner station is very difficult, as it was or it is in the deep forest. As it is in the deep forest, he has to cross from such rivers and deep jungle, and even with such types of tribal people. So it was very challenging. It's not so easy to meet Kurz, as we can say that though Marlowe we can consider a central character or the hero, but even the Kurz is the same central character in the novel. And see, here it is written, Marlowe reaches by many challenges, because once he starts his journey, one of the fellow died by the severe attack of the weapon by these types of people from the deep forest. And the central station means Kurzon. He was running this station, and not only running but helping people, and people were having good regards and love and sympathy and respect for Kurz, because Kurz was a very genuine person and cooperating and giving all the good service, health service and all other types of service, social service to this type of black people. So he was having his own central station, we can say in another way. Then see, the journey to reach and meet Kurz, that was the chief or the central theme or the storyline of the novel. How Kurz lives in between jungle, and how Marlowe takes a journey and challenges, and why Marlowe became day by day very eager to meet Kurz. So that was the whole story. References were given in the novel. Marlowe is one of the first, see here it is, Marlowe is one of the boat driver died by the attack of tribal people, meaning the dark, we can say. That was the negative remark. When he was going through and when they started their journey, one of the boat driver died by the attack. Yes. So Marlowe learns that his steamer sunk, and later on he came to know about that. Oh my God, trouble starts because a steamer or the boat is going to sink. Then he meets manager and comes to know that the situation at inner station is very bad. Then now, I mean, in the early stage from where he starts from the first station, the journey by the boat and having some people in support to meet Kurds and to went to the deep jungle. He was not knowing the danger and the difficulties will come. He was taking very lightly that no matter, I will go to meet Kurds and I will visit also other stations. But later on when the fellow die, he comes to know about the actual or the reality that it is not so easy to reach at center part or to meet Kurds. So now he realizes that the situation at the inner station is very bad, and at last the manager dies before he reaches there. Even after some journey we find that even the manager also dies, and he finds that number of black people, negro people were just dying or suffering from the injustice and discrimination of the government. Actually government was were lying for the slave people and negro people or the dark people, but actually it was not so. Dark people were suffering from all exploitation and discrimination. So later on he came to know about it. See, here it is written, thus by facing many difficulties like Marlowe went to the ship which is attacked 8 miles from the inner station. That was the all difficulties what Marlowe has to suffer. See, the next thing is the theme. See, here it is given. Then he meets the Russian and he observes that several heads on the fence. Then he came to know about other factual things which he was never able to come if he could never reach to this place. As he somehow crosses all the difficulties and reach to this place, he comes to know about number of facts, hidden facts which he was never able to come until and unless he visit this place. Symbolisms and symbols. Yes friends, as I mentioned, the justification or the significance of the title especially starts with the dark word. Darkness itself deals with various aspects. See here even the given reference in the novel, which means, or we can interpret like, see this is my own conclusion style to make you understand much in detail. You can have your own interpretation as much you read to the novel. See, jungle or you can say deep forest where light does not come easily. So that is also a part of darkness, mean hopelessness, or you can say dark which is not positive. Anything in the way you can take this reference. Then another thing is Aqualine. Then the river itself goes on and on deep. Then the negro or the slaves of black skin, that is also dark people, and to them the government or the white people used to deal with discrimination. Ivory was also the negative thing for the society and for the nature, so that is also not good. So that can also be dark. And no clarity or end, that is also somehow we find up to some extent such things. So this is all about the novels, the word darkness. Yes. Then see, the vitality or the drama part is also given up to some extent. Now the actual story part. Yes, students always eager for the thing, madam, what is story, what is theme, what is plot. So now you can understand the plot is situated to the particular 3 stations to the Congo. Yes, when Marlowe means the novelist himself went to that place and meets a Russian and other people, and how he deals with all problems and concluded number of actual things. See now storyline. 1899 Victorianism and modernism we find to the writing skill of the Joseph Conrad. See, two-person story. Basically, we can say that this story deals with two central or main characters. That one is Marlowe himself in the depiction of writer Joseph Conrad, and the another one is Kurz. These two people are important. Marlowe means narrator, of course, an Englishman. Kurz is German. And when Conrad was young and went to a sea voyage, he was having all experience and memory, and later on he narrates and shares these all experiences with his old friends. How he shares his experiences? So here it is given the situation of the beginning of the storyline. See, Thames River in London, it was there, and there the whole story depicted. Belgium, Congo means Central America now is American Republic. Remember, that is the setting is given there. So it's a character-based story. We can say yes, the whole story is based on characterization. So character-based story basically. A European company where he went as a pilot by his noble aunt's recommendation. That was also the connection is given how Marlowe or how writer himself reaches there. So how he reaches with the reference of the recommendation of his aunt who used to work with this type of organization, this type of company, and he recommended his son, or rather you say that aunt or the auntie herself recommended, as Marlowe was very keen and asked number of time to visit that place from the company job, and as the opportunity came, aunt recommended Marlowe to go to this voyage as a job part. When he went there, he found that African teeth of elephant, for that they slave, they steals, and that was the ivory part, chief part he found first time. As a general manager and brickmaker discussed for Kurz, as he is much capable and inner station into the deep forest, only run and controlled by Kurz. That was also a very difficult thing. In between jungle and into the dark, or with the old nature difficulties, and with all black people and slave people as with less resources, Marlowe was very capable to control and to govern that station alone. Yes, and Marlowe was having very good reputation and love by these old tribal or dark people. That we find that in the story also, when Marlowe dies. Yes, or as Marlowe became very, ill and becoming very serious, or at the last stage, how people all surrounded and sit there and wait for the news from the Kurds, and how Kurds died, and how they react, and how they shocked by the death of Kurds. This is all because of Kurds. Yes, if I speak the word Marlowe, then pardon me. Yeah, that is all about Kurds. So Kurds were very capable person, and when Marlowe reaches there, he find that Kurds is going to die. He was ill, and he is not much fit to discuss much about the situation. But as he reaches there, he learns number of things in a factual way. It was very challenging journey to reach there mean to the inner station of Kurds station, or into the deep forest. And may see here it is given a minimum it took 2 months to meet or to reach there, and also refused by local people. When Marlowe was having this voyage, he has to face number of difficulties and refusal of local people, as they were never allowing other people to enter to that place, and even number of other difficulties as 2 people of the crew died, and how difficult and unknown as he was going or to visit first time this place. Yes, so it was also very difficult for Marlowe, but somehow he reaches and meets Kurds, but after 2 months long journey. And see, at his arrival at the inner station into the dark forest, he found that Kurd is very ill and also dies after submission of some documents and speaking some words like horror, horror. Now, what exactly Kurtz want to explain to Marlowe in a form of help? Marlowe, the writer doesn't understand much in detail. But at last words, at the dying moment, Kurtz speak of the word horror, horror, and submitted some documents, important documents to Marlowe by having some faith. These last words, that was the end of the story, or these all are the concluding points you can remember. These last words Marlowe, the novelist or Conrad himself, changes. At last stage we find to the last concluding part of the end that native people or relative and Kurt's mistress went there to London to take that old documents and to know about Kurt's last moment, that actually what Kurtz wanted to communicate or to convey to the common people. Yes, and the words were horror, horror, but at last when relatives and native people and mistress especially meet Marlowe changes that words to make her happy. So to the mistress or the beloved, Marlowe said that Kurt was saying about yourself and remembering and calling you, that was only the thing. Kurt's lies, Marlowe lies in the form of Kurt's last word. Okay, so here this is the whole story part. You can have screenshots, you can note down, you can go through the other videos on YouTube, or even my own videos which I have already provided. Officially today we are going to complete this novel, because this novel is in comparison of Far From Wedding Crowd, it is very short, brief novel, very interesting thing. So if you have any doubts, you can list out whenever we'll meet, or either on the Google Meet or to the classroom. We are going to discuss definitely in detail. So now let me translate you in Gujarati, so everybody can enjoy. See friends, મુખ્ય બે પાત્રોની વાર્તા છે, નોવેલ છે, કેરેક્ટર બેઝ છે, માર્લો અને કુર્ટ્ઝ. માર્લો કંપનીમાંથી પાયલોટ તરીકે આ જે કોંગો રિપબ્લિક છે ત્યાં પહોંચે છે. પહેલાં સ્ટેશન પર જાય છે, 1 સ્ટેશન, 2nd સ્ટેશન એટલે ઇનર સ્ટેશન અને સેન્ટ્રલ સ્ટેશન, આવી રીતે 3 સ્ટેશન છે. ત્યાંથી મેનેજર અને માણસો લઈ અને એણે બહુ સાંભળ્યું છે આ કુર્ટ્ઝ વિશે, અને ઇનર સ્ટેશન કેવી રીતે કંપનીના ચાલે છે એ જોવા માટેમાં એને બહુ રસ છે, એટલે એ જાય છે. રસ્તામાં ઘણી બધી મુસીબતો આવે છે. જે ઇનર સ્ટેશન છે જંગલમાં, વચ્ચે નદી આવે છે, ખૂબ મુસીબતો અને પ્રકૃતિથી ઘેરાયેલું વચ્ચેનું સ્ટેશન છે. અને ત્યાં એમનો મેનેજર અને મેનેજર પહેલાં એક એનો ડ્રાઈવર છે એ બોટનો એટેકથી, ભાલા જેવા સાધનથી, જે નેટિવ લોકો જંગલમાં રહે છે એના ટ્રાઇબલથી, આદિવાસીઓથી હણાઈ જાય છે, મૃત્યુ પામે છે. એ સમજે છે કે આ કેટલી અઘરી વાત છે ઇનર સ્ટેશનમાં પહોંચવું. જે સેન્ટ્રલ સ્ટેશન છે એ કુર્ટ્ઝ નામનું કેરેક્ટર છે એ જ ચલાવે છે. ત્યાં એનું બહુ માન છે, લોકો એને ખૂબ સન્માનથી જોવે છે. એ પણ લોકોને ખૂબ સારી રીતે સાચવી કે કંટ્રોલ કરી શકે છે, એમને કાબૂમાં રાખી શકે છે. અને ઘણી બધી મુસીબતો પછી જ્યારે 2 મહિનાને અંતે માર્લો એટલે કે જોસેફ કોનરેડ હિમસેલ્ફ ત્યાં પહોંચે છે, ત્યારે જોવે છે કે જે લોકો સરકાર, ગવર્મેન્ટ છે, કંપની મેનેજર અને બાકીના લોકો છે, જે લોકો વિશે ખોટી વાતો ફેલાવી રહ્યા હતા એવું છે નહીં. લોકો ખૂબ જ ખરાબ પરિસ્થિતિમાં છે. એમના દવા દારૂ માટે પણ કોઈ લોકો એને મદદ નથી કરી રહ્યા. કુર્ટ્ઝ એક જ એવો જેન્યુઇન વ્યક્તિ છે કે જે બધાને સાચવે છે, મદદ કરે છે, અને લોકો એટલે જ એમને ચાહે છે. ગવર્મેન્ટ તરફથી ઘણો ભેદભાવ થઈ રહ્યો છે ડાર્ક લોકો સાથે, સ્લેવ્સ જે મજૂર ગુલામ લોકો છે એમની સાથે. એવી જ રીતે બીજી વાત છે કે એ જોવે છે કે સમાજની એક દૂષણ તરીકે આઈવરી, હાથી દાંતને ચોરી અને એની તસ્કરી કરવાનો એક આખો બિઝનેસ છે, એ પણ આ દરિયાઈ માર્ગે ચાલી રહ્યો છે. જ્યારે કુર્ઝ પાસે પહોંચે છે ત્યારે આવી વચ્ચે રસ્તામાં કુર્ઝના લોકો દ્વારા કે આદિવાસીઓ દ્વારા વ્હાઇટ પીપલને આ જંગલમાં ન આવવા દેવાની ઘણી વિરોધ દેખાડવામાં આવે છે, પણ છતાં માર્લો છે 2 મહિનાને અંતે સાચો જેન્યુઇન કે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટેડ વ્યક્તિ છે અને પહોંચે છે, કુર્ઝને મળે છે. કુર્ઝ બીમાર પડી જાય છે. બીમાર હોવાને કારણે એમના બધા ચાહીતા લોકો છે, એમની નીચે કામ કરવાવાળા ખૂબ દુઃખી થઈ જાય છે અને બીમારીમાં ધીમે ધીમે મૃત્યુ પામે છે. મૃત્યુનો સીન જ્યારે ડિક્લેર થાય છે ત્યારે પણ બધા જ લોકો ભેગા વળીને ટોળું વળીને બેસી ગયા છે. એક નાનકડો છોકરો આવીને જાહેર કરે છે કે કુર્ઝ ઇઝ નો મોર. હા, તો બધા લોકોને ખૂબ દુઃખ થાય છે. એ પરથી માર્લોને ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે કુર્ઝનું કેટલું બધું મહત્ત્વ છે અને કુર્ઝ એક સારો વ્યક્તિ હતો. પણ મરતા પહેલાં માર્લોને એ કંઈક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ મહત્ત્વના ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ કાગળિયાઓ આપે છે અને કંઈક બોલવા જાય છે પણ બોલી નથી શકતો અને હોરર એવું શબ્દો બોલતા એ અટકી જાય છે ને એનું મૃત્યુ પામે છે. એટલે હવે હોરર સાથે શું કહેવા માગતો હતો એ કોઈ સમજી શકતું નથી. આ આખી વાર્તા છે એ જ્યારે માર્લો થેમ્સ નદી લંડનમાં જ્યારે થાક ખાવા માટે બાકીનું જીવન રિયલ લાઈફમાં વિતાવે છે અને થેમ્સ નદીના કાંઠે જ્યારે ટાઈડની ભરતીની રાહમાં અને એના 5 મિત્રો બેઠા હોય છે બોટ પર, તો સમય સાંજે ડાર્કનેસ, સાંજનું વાતાવરણ છે, અંધકારના જુદા જુદા રેફરન્સીસ આપ્યા છે અને આ આખું વર્ણન કરે છે કે એને કેવો અનુભવ થયો હતો જ્યારે જુવાન હતો અને આ રીતે થોડા વર્ષો પહેલાં દરિયાઈ મુસાફરીમાં ગયો હતો. અને થોડા વખત પછી કુર્ઝના સંબંધીઓ અને એની મિસ્ટ્રેસ, એની એક લવર છે છોકરી, એ લોકો બધા માર્લો પાસે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ લેવા આવે છે અને જાણવા માગે છે કે જ્યારે કુર્ઝ મળ્યો ત્યારે છેલ્લા સમયે તો માર્લો એમની પાસે હતો, તો માર્લોને શું કહ્યું એણે. અને માર્લો છે થોડું ખોટું બોલે છે. એમની બિલોવેડ છે જે મિસ્ટ્રેસ છે એમને કહે છે કે ના, એ તમારા વિશે જ વાત કરતો હતો અને તમને યાદ કરતાં મૃત્યુ પામ્યો, એટલું ખોટું બોલે છે. ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ લેવા માટે આવે છે, ડોક્યુમેન્ટ એમના સંબંધીઓને આપી દે છે. આ રીતે આખી વાર્તા છે એ પૂર્ણ થાય છે. મુખ્ય 2 પાત્રો છે કુર્ઝનું અને માર્લોનું. 3 સ્ટેશનની વાત આવે છે. કોંગો રિપબ્લિકની વાત છે, આઈવરી તસ્કરી જે હાથીદાંતની થાય છે એની વાત છે, અને ડાર્કનેસ શબ્દ છે એને જુદી જુદી રીતે દેખાડવામાં આવ્યો છે કે જંગલની ડાર્કનેસ, વાર્તા શરૂ થાય સમય સાંજનો સમય છે એ ડાર્કનેસ, લોકો સાથે ભેદભાવ થાય છે કાળી ચામડીના લોકો સાથે એ ડાર્કનેસ, અને આવી જુદી જુદી ડાર્કનેસના રેફરન્સથી એમનું ટાઇટલ છે એ હાર્ટ ઓફ ડાર્કનેસ એવું રાખવામાં આવ્યું છે. તો આ રીતે હું આશા કરું કે તમને સંપૂર્ણ વિડીયો રસપ્રદ રાખ્યો હશે અને સંપૂર્ણ નોવેલ તમને સમજાઈ ગઈ હશે. હા, અને હવે પછીના વિડીયોમાં આપણે નવો પેપર આ 504 પૂરો કરીએ છીએ અને નેક્સ્ટ ન્યૂ પેપર સાથે મળશું. ટીલ ધેન ટેક કેર, ગુડ બાય. આઈ અર્પણા પંડ્યા વિશ યુ ઓલ ધી બેસ્ટ.